The trading profit and loss account and balance sheet are considered to be sole in the business. Every in accounting, the important thing is known as the trading profit or loss account in the balance sheet. It consists of two sides, debit side and credit side. In the debit side, all the expenses for the customers are being recorded, and the income for the it is also considered the income for the businessman. In the credit side, all the income for the customers are being recorded, and it is considered as a debit for the businessman. Now we can see what are the transaction entries entered in the profit and loss account and balance sheet. In a trading account, if it's in the debit side starts with the word to, and the credit side starts with the word buy. In the beginning of it consists of the to opening. In every transaction, first it starts with the word the to opening. To consists of to opening, to purchases, to purchases. From that purchases, it resists the less purchases return. Purchase return has been reduced with purchases. Purchases means what we buy is considered as a purchases, and purchases return means what we return in the purchase is considered purchase return. Next is considered direct expenses. Direct expenses means the expenses which may included directly, which you see directly like rent, cash, rent, etc., which is received directly is not direct expenses. Salaries, it comes in direct expenses. Carriage inwards, freight, fuel and power, manufacturing expenses. Expenses are considered manufacturing expenses. Motive power, customer duty, consumable stores, former workers, managers remuneration, royalty and manufacturing goods, etc. comes in the debit. I repeat once again, to opening stock. In every transaction, the first beginning starts with the word to opening stock. To purchases, from the purchase less purchase return. The purchase which has been returned again, which is not used, has been considered in the less, which is less purchases return. Direct expenses, carriage inwards, freight, wages, salary, fuel and power, manufacturing expenses, power duty, oil duty, customer duty, consumer goods, purchase, freight, carriage inwards, manufacturing, managers remuneration, former workers, royalty and manufacturing, etc. comes in the debit side. Next in the sales, by consists of by sales, less sales return. Sales which has been returned again comes in the less sales return to closing stock. The word closing stock derived from the word in debit side. We entered to opening stock. To while finishing will enter closing stock to profit and loss account. This profit and loss account is this profit and loss account is the next entry in the profit and loss account of the next year. So the entries which are added has been calculated properly, and then that entry sales has been of this year March 31st have been recorded to the next year till 1st March 2020 to the 31st March 2019.